Simple solutions to life.
Hey, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are tuning in for the first time, you're highly welcome. If you're passing by, you're highly welcome. And if you have been viewers, a subscriber, all this while, thank you for always coming back to us. Thank you for always looking at our video. God will look over you. God will always watch over you. God will continue to follow you. Everything that concerns you, God will take care of them in Jesus' name. Yes. Thank you for supporting us, and I just want to specifically thank as many that have been sending in their contribution to support the widows for this Christmas period, the blind people and the orphans. We really thank you. We really bless you, and God will prosper you. Your labor of love will never go in vain. Yes, your children will not turn widow, and even you will not become a widow. And if you are a widow already, God will supply your needs. God will provide for you. God will not allow you to cry. Yes, anywhere that the enemy has stopped you before, God will arise and make a way for you, even where there is no way. Yes, that same God that parted the Red Sea for the children of Israel to walk over on a dry land, and that same sea, He caused it to consume their enemies. God will consume all the enemies of your life in Jesus' name. Thank you for remembering the widows at this time. We are already in preparation. The preparation is in high gear, and we are putting everything together. We'll be reaching out to them from church to church and then from houses to houses, and by the grace of God, God will bless you. Thank you and remain blessed. Yes, today we want to talk about how you can make your intention oil. Yes, so very, very simple procedure that I want to show us today. Yes, because some of us will be saying, how do I make intention oil? Yes, and some may not even understand what is intention oil. See, as the name implies, intention is something that you desire to do, something that you want to see happen, something that you want to bring into pass in your life or in the life of anything that you are wishing for. Okay, intention means prayer. Prayer means intention. Okay, so now you can sign your intention on anything, and you can make your desire, and this thing will come to pass the way you want it. Now, how do you make this intention oil? That is the basics of this video today. Yes, because when you have intention oil, you can use it to do a lot of things spiritually in your house. Yes, at your own convenience time, less cost. Yes. Now, you will be needing in this particular recipe, you'll be needing coconut oil, olive oil, you can have sunflower oil, you can have lavender oil, any oil of your choice, okay, that you feel you are spiritually inclined to. You understand? Like in my own case, I use coconut oil. Yes, for my intention oil, I use coconut oil. Yes, I will not lie to you, and I will not tell you what I'm not using. Okay? Because I believe that olive oil is already anointed in a way. I don't need to add any other thing to it. I can just use it for casual, normal prayer, whatever I want to do. But if you want something superlative, something unique, something different, you understand? So you can use coconut oil. Okay? Because one, Coconut oil is something that is highly spiritual, something that if you want to be stubborn in spirituality, use coconut oil. Yes. Are you a lady and you're not getting the kind of attraction that you deserve, not even desire? You understand? At times you may desire something, but you deserve much more. I hope you get the point. Make your intention oil today, and I want to show you how you can do it. Get your coconut oil, okay, and then you are going to get your orange peel powder. Yes, we have already made orange peel powder that is fortified that you can use. Yes, that is another thing. It is not just anyhow something you will use. It will just be weak. It will not be that strong, you know. So you need something that is strong and you can use it and your way will open. See, orange peel powder, and then you will need coconut oil. I don't have coconut oil right now on my table, but we all know what coconut oil is. You can get it from any supermarket of your choice. Make sure that it is original coconut oil, okay? So just get coconut oil, then get a very clean pot, yeah, or in an iron container like stainless or something that you can actually put on a heat. Do you understand? Because it has to undergo some kind of heat. Okay, see, there was a video I uploaded that was talking about how to create instant attraction using cinnamon powder, and I asked us to heat the water, to boil the water and put the cinnamon powder inside. Allow it to cool and use it to beat. That one is different. You attract money, it's oya, oya, oya. You attract favor, it's oya. Business opportunities, it's oya, oya. See, these things that we are saying, smiling, you think we are joking. It is not a joke. They work. Okay? So now, get your something like a container, you know. Do I have a container here? Let me just show you this. Sorry, I took it out of this place and I have not got it back. So, you get a container like this that is iron or a pot. Let me not show this plastic because some people are very linear naturally. So when you show them plastic, they will go and carry plastic like this and put it on fire. When it starts melting, they will not carry phone and start calling me. Mehdi Loco, that plastic that you showed us, I just put my own on fire and the thing started melting. What do you say I should do? What do I do now? How can you put plastic on fire? Like seriously? So now, get your pot, okay? A very small, clean pot. Make sure it's very clean. Okay, then use salt to purify that pot. Yes, use salt. Just sprinkle salt inside the pot, put water, rinse it, pour it away before you use it. So now you put the pot on fire, then you add the oil on it. When the oil is warm or is hot, but not this kind of frying, you understand? Then you put off the fire, you know, and then you just add maybe a tablespoon of this into that oil. The quantity of the oil can be like this, this quantity, you know, like this quantity, or it can be, you know, as huge as something like this, or in a container like this. It depends how large you want to use it. So now when you put this, you now put the fortified orange peel inside, then stir it. Don't stir it like this, like this, like this. Anything spiritual, if you are stirring it clockwise, you keep stirring it clockwise. And if you are stirring it anti-clockwise, stir it anti-clockwise. You understand? Maintain one hand. Don't confuse the spirit. So now, having done that, you will now empty it into your container. Maybe when it is cool, you understand, then you pour it into your cream container or any container that you want to use for the oil to carry as a carrier. You can get a glass container that has a cover. You understand? Yes, because glass has a very strong vibration spiritually. So you put it inside, then you just keep it. Anytime you want to use it, just pray over it. Say what you want. Be careful what you say, because you will have what you say. Yes. So if you are not sure, you don't want what you are saying, don't say it. Don't pray for fun. You understand? Because my own faith is very strong. Anything I desire, if I just want this, and the moment I mention it in the place of prayer, that thing will come to pass. It has always been like that. So if you say, no, I don't used to say what, I will not say it though, because if you say it now, enemy will steal your testimonies. My own, when I say it, it is sealed, signed, and delivered. Yes, all I need is to wait for a manifestation. I prayed for a car for like 3 months. I think then I was doing coursework for my PhD. We were going to class, we were having lectures, research methodology, whatever, statistics. And I saw this particular RAV4 that I desire, that I just admire, and I just felt I needed that particular RAV4. So I started asking God for it. Yeah. Prayer, it's not until you arrange yourself on a mountain or in any particular position. Prayer is something you can be praying even in your kitchen, in your bathroom, when you are going on the road, when you are driving, you can be saying something. God is inside of you. You are a living altar of God. Yes. God is inside of you. The Spirit is inside of you. God is waiting for you to say it, and He will bring it to pass. But when you are saying it, that means it will not happen. So, that RAV4 didn't come that year that I asked for. But after 2 years, it eventually arrived. When it came with my name on it, when I don't need it again, you understand? I felt my level has passed that RAV4. But it's beautiful, it's fancy, But at the end of the day, it still came. Why? Because I asked for it. That is the point I want to make to us. If you don't need something, don't ask for it for fun, because it will come. It will come. Yes. That is why it is written that the vision is for an appointed time. Though it tarries, wait for it. It will surely come. Yes. You will not die. You will not fall sick. You will not become weak. You will be healthy, and it will come. Yes. All you need to do is to have faith. Have faith and have faith. Yes. Congratulations. You can use your intention oil, use it to bathe, use it to pray, use it to do so many things. Anoint yourself with it, use it to rub on your skin, whatever it is, pray for it. You can use it to anoint your certificate or your proposal before you go and submit for any contract. And you will thank me later. Bye.